The Davis Learning Strategies is a 2-day workshop for mainstream teachers. The Davis Dyslexia Correction Program was initially developed in the 1980s as a remedial intervention for adults. It was soon adapted to help dyslexic children in a one-to-one setting with over 90% success rate. Finally, in the late 1990s, the Davis Learning Strategies were developed to teach reading in regular mainstream classrooms, complementing phonics instructions. The development of Davis Learning Strategies culminated in a peer-reviewed study published in a US academic journal. Only 3 classes were included in the study, which is about 60 learners. But all 6 schools involved in the initial development program reported similar results. The control group was similar to the national average in the USA of 15% special needs referrals. But they also have a criteria for gifted referrals, accelerated learning programs for kids who excel, and the national average for that is 5%. In the first Davis classroom, we had no special needs referrals and 10% gifted referrals, double the national average. In the second Davis classroom, we again had no special needs referrals, but this time 20% gifted referrals, 4 times the national average. And in the third Davis classroom, we yet again had no special needs referrals, but this time we saw 40% gifted referrals, 8 times the national average, nearly half the class. So what this study suggests is that not only does DLS help the potential dyslexics, but it benefits every learner and raises the standard of the whole classroom. Lalaji Memorial Omega International School, or LMOIS, in India has over 6,000 learners. They discovered the 2-day Davis Learning Strategies workshop in 2013. Today, LMOIS has 115 DLS-trained teachers, 3 DLS mentors, and 2 fully licensed Davis facilitators who set up a remedial department called Indigo. The first cohort of Indigo children consisted of 11 learners, and 10 of them achieved over 70% average marks in grade 10 exams after 3 years of Davis-based learning. Here is recent data from New Zealand, where 10 schools were included in a study not yet published. We are looking at the immediate impact on 6 to 8-year-old children in schools using DLS. This is only 6 months after attending the 2-day DLS workshop. Teachers often attend continuous professional development and cherry-pick, decide to use only bits of what they learn in the workshop. When this happens, we still see nearly 60% drop in failing 6 to 8-year-old children within 6 months. When DLS is fully implemented, we see around 80% drop in failing 6 to 8-year-old children within 6 months. But what about the long-term impact of DLS? The New Zealand study included 2 schools where DLS had been in use for 4 to 5 years. The impact was almost identical in both schools, and here's the data from one of them called Waihao Downs. A few years ago, New Zealand introduced what they call the National Standard for Reading. It's a benchmark indicating the ideal level of reading skill for each grade. An average New Zealand school has nearly 80% of their learners reaching or surpassing this national standard for reading. Waihao Downs School was below average in 2014 when they introduced DLS, but within a year they had reached the national average in reading. And they kept improving. So within 4 years, over 90% of their learners were reaching or surpassing the national standard for reading. This is a nearly 20% jump in performance. But why did they not achieve 100%? What about the remaining nearly 10% of learners who didn't reach or surpass the national standard for reading? Let's have a look at that. DLS is only used in grades 0 to 3. And of all the children who learned to read using DLS, every single one reached or surpassed the New Zealand national standard for reading. This means that the 10% of Waihao Downs learners who didn't reach or surpass the national standard for reading were all children who didn't learn to read using Davis learning strategies. Since DLS was introduced, Waiho Downs has not required any reading recovery intervention, and there has been a dramatic drop in playground behavior incidences, so DLS extends well beyond the classroom walls. All this is possible at the annual cost of less than £10 per child. Davis Learning Strategies is a research-based 2-day workshop for mainstream teachers, proven to improve reading performance dramatically for all learners. This video was produced by the Davis Dyslexia Association Africa, and for further information please visit our website www.ddAfrica.com. We are licensed by the Davis Dyslexia Association International, and for more information on training and interventions globally, please visit our international website www.dyslexia.com.